Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be using my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir, our Enchanting Moisture Cream, and a little bit of Wetline Extreme Gel to do a wash and go for you guys using my brand. So I washed and conditioned my hair with what will be the new shampoo and conditioner for Goddess Curls. But you guys, vote down below. Do you guys want a peppermint and tea tree scent, or do you want the same scent as the moisture cream, which is a nice fruity citrusy scent? I cannot decide and I'm just torn because I want everybody to love it. But yeah, my hair was so soft, clean, and just ready to be styled. So y'all know, of course, I gotta go in with our Divine Hair Elixir onto my scalp. Make sure it's nice, moisturized to avoid any flakes, itchiness. It's gonna help promote hair growth, and it's made with some great ingredients like peppermint, castor oil, tea tree, jojoba, etc. So I'm just gonna rub that in with my fingers, and I was hesitant on doing this video because honestly I do not care for my wash and goes right now. I feel like I need a little bit of length before I really like them, but I wanted to show you guys the results you can get using my cream and whatever gel of your choice. So I've parted off my hair, sectioned it off. I'm going to split this into two parts and just work on one side. My daughter Samaya, she stayed home with me and she wanted to say hi. So I'm just going to spray my section of hair on down with some water, just making sure it's nice and wet. Water is definitely important for wash and goes, but all natural styles. Then I am going to detangle it with my Tangle Teaser, and everything I use will be linked down below in the description box. You guys check the description because everybody always asks like what I'm using, and I always, for the most part, link it. But now I'm adding some of my Enchanting Moisture Cream, which smells amazing. It's literally the perfect one and done product. Myself as well as my customers use it alone, and it just packs a punch of moisture to where you don't need to use anything else if you don't want to. So yeah, it's made with aloe vera, sunflower oil, it has jojoba, it has shea butter, and it's just super moisturizing. So I'm going to use a nice generous amount of this because we want our hair to be nice and soft under our gel. We don't want super hard, crispy wash and go curls. So I'm going to show you guys what the curls are looking like, and then I am going to split this section in half to work in a smaller subsection. Working in sections is definitely key when it comes to doing a wash and go. Well, and honestly any natural hairstyle, but especially wash and goes, and especially if you have curls that are similar to mine. So I am just going to spray this section on down again. Like I said, you want to make sure your hair is nice and wet. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of my moisture cream. I really didn't need it, but I got to make sure my curls are soft underneath my gel. So this is what the curls are looking like. And now it's time to use the Wetline Extreme. This is also made with aloe vera. It's alcohol free, and it costs I think like a couple bucks at, you can get it anywhere, your local drugstore, beauty supply, Target, Walmart, etc. So I'm just going to start with a nice generous amount, not too much at first. I like to just work my way up, and if I need more, then I'll build it up. I don't like to use too much because it can really weigh the hair down and make it stringy, and more gel is just more prone to causing flakes. So keep that in mind, y'all, and don't forget to, if you need to, continue to add water if your curls start to dry out or anything. But yeah, this is the curl definition with the gel. The curls were hopping, but now I'm just going to start shingling. And when it comes to wash and goes, y'all know you can do whatever the heck you want, whatever method works for you. Some people like to use a Detangling Brush to define their curls. Some people like to just use the praying hands method, raking method, coiling method. Some people twirl their hair around their comb. Like, there's so many different ways to define your curls, so just try different methods and see which works best for you. But for me, this is the method that works the best and gives me the results and definition that I personally like. Now, This takes forever. I'm not gonna lie. It literally took me like an hour and 45 minutes to do my entire head. But you guys will see the final look. So, yeah, I'm just taking small pieces of hair, running my finger down it. I'm trying not to twirl it as much because when you start to twirl your hair and coil it, it gives you more shrinkage, which I do not want. So I'm just gonna fast forward so you guys can see. Alright, so this is like the first section and my curls are popping, they're defined. I was noticing the roots weren't as defined as like the ends of my hair, but that's okay. I honestly don't like my roots to be too defined because then when I go to pick it, it makes it, at least for me, it makes it a little bit harder to get that volume and stuff that I want. But anyways, I'm just going to continue doing this exact thing all around my hair, making sure my hair is wet, detangling, moisturizing, adding the gel, and shingling. Now, I do also want to mention that everybody's hair is different and everybody likes different results. So while you definitely can use my Enchanting Moisture Cream all on its own for a wash and go, I'm going to insert a picture of one of my customers' photos using the Enchanting Cream and Oil, and that's it for her wash and go. And her curls were super defined and shiny, but for me, I need a gel. I need that strong gel like hold. Wetline is a level 10 hold, so just like I said, trial and error, do different methods and see what works best for you. But yes, you can use the cream on its own if you would want to. So I'm going to give you guys a little spin around. This is just my hair wet still. Some parts are drier than others just because I, was still working on one side, and then I did have to go and get my daughter from school and feed my kids and stuff. But I'm going to diffuse my hair. This is the Shark IQ air dryer or something like that. I've done a review on this. I do actually really like this. This is like the first, blow dryer that's gotten me into diffusing my hair, because typically I would just sit underneath my hooded dryer. But both methods work. But yeah, I just put this into my head for like maybe like 15 seconds, and then go on to the next spot and do that for 15 seconds and go on to the next spot, etc. It's really repetitive, but my hair was dry in about 15-20 minutes. So I'm going to show you what the hair looks like once I'm done diffusing. Boy, Alright, so this is my hair 100% dry and it's looking good, and it actually has a little bit of bounce to it even though it does have a gel cast, but this is not like the worst gel cast I've ever had, but it is a little bit crunchy. I'm going to pick my roots just a little bit, but I almost forgot to scrunch the crunch, so I'm adding my last bit of Divine Hair Elixir to my hands, and you guys are going to see I'm literally just scrunching my hair. That is how you get the cast out. Sometimes I do like to like pull my hair or do like the praying hands method as well. They all work to get that crunch out because you don't want that cast to be left on top. You want your hair to be soft and, you know, free and bouncy, etc. At least I do. So that's what I'm doing first, and then off camera I'll do my edges and pick my hair, and you guys will see the final results. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of my wash and go, and I actually really liked it. Like, the curls were so defined, they were shiny, they were soft, so yeah, get my Enchanting moisture cream, y'all. But yeah, this was a great wash and go. I love the volume, I just love everything about it. Okay, so make sure you go to www.goddessscurls.com, pick up some of my products. You can use code SAVE10 at checkout to save 10%, but I just wanted to show you guys another way you can use the cream. And I also purposely wore black so you guys could see that I did not get any flaking. I think in a second I'm gonna like shake my hair so you guys can see no flakes. So if you guys are looking for a cream that will pair well with a gel, definitely try this on out. But that is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys want to see any other hairstyles using my products, and also, like I mentioned, if you guys could vote. Do you guys want a peppermint and tea tree shampoo and conditioner, or do you guys want a fruity citrus scented shampoo and conditioner? Please vote down below. But that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one.